Yeah, thank you. Hi, Lily. Can you say hi to Grandma? What are you doing? Are you fixing something with... Oh, man. Are you... Oh, be careful. It's going to fall. Oh! You want Anthony or Auntie... Or you want Anthony to get you another water?
Okay.
Okay. They'll get you another water. Don't worry. There. See? Say thank you.
Thank you, Anthony.
Oh, thank you, Anthony.
Oh, aqua.
Oh. What are you making?
Aqua.
Are you making a drink in your cups?
Yeah.
Oh. Can Grandma have a drink?
Okay.
Okay. Maybe Anthony wants a drink.
Can I have a drink?
You're gonna make a drink.
Oh, thank you, baby. Oh! Ah, that's good.
Agua.
Thank you. Go pour it back in your bowl now.
Agua.
Yes, baby.